Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up as a Shipt Shopper. If you don't have a Shipt Shopper account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, a pop-up window will appear and you will see a button for Finish the application. Click on Finish the application. To sign up, enter your legal first name, legal last name, email, phone number, and zip code. After entering, click on Apply Now. Next, enter your current, valid address where Shipt can mail your welcome package. Now, answer if you're 18 years old or older. Then click on Next. It will also ask for your shirt size. It might be because of one of the inclusions of the welcome package. Also, it will ask if one of their shoppers refer you to Shipt. You could use our referral code shown on the screen. Now, you will be given 3 situations and questions to test your written response. Enter your answers on the field provided. For identification purposes, you need to record a 30 seconds video stating your full legal name and where you live. Make sure to find a quiet, well-lit area. Do not also wear any facial coverings or sunglasses. After that, you now need to sign the Shipt Shopper agreement. Click on the Review and Sign button. First, read the independent contractor agreement. After reading, sign on the field that says Click to sign. Also, enter your name on text box 1. Then click on Next. Now, fill out the W-9 form. Then click on Next. Lastly, to agree to be legally bound by this document and Dropbox, click on the button that says I agree. On this page, enter all the required information. After entering, click on Next Step. Now, read the disclosure regarding background investigation. Once read, click on the tick box to acknowledge the receipt of the disclosure. Then click on Next Step. Here, read and understand the additional background check consent. After reading, enter your full name for the electronic signature. Then click on Submit Form. Lastly, read all the information regarding the insurance coverage requirement. After reading, click on the tick box beside I agree and understand. Then click on the Submit button. And now your application is under review. Shipt will contact you once you are chosen. That's how you sign up as a Shipt Shopper. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.